Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 5, The Flower Bank World. Some of flames of precious scents, some of cotton flowers adorned by all jewels, some of images of enlightening beings, some of auras of Buddhas, some of physical forms of Buddhas, some of the light of one precious element, some of the lights of many precious elements, some of the sounds of the sea of blessings and virtues of all living beings, some of the sounds of the sea of actions of all living beings, some of the pure sounds of the sphere of all Buddhas, some of the sounds of the sea of great vows of all enlightening beings, some of the sounds of the formation and disintegration of the adornments of all lands, some of the sounds of the methods and techniques of all Buddhas, some of the voices of goodness of all sentient beings, some of the sounds of the mystical demonstrations of all Buddhas, some of the pure sounds of the ocean of virtue of all Buddhas. If fully told, there are as many of these as atoms in an ocean of worlds. Then universally good, to reiterate what he meant, looked over the 10 directions by the power bestowed on him by the Buddha, and said in verse, "The stable, marvelous adornments of the systems of worlds, vast, pure treasuries of light, rest on seas of lotus blossom jewels, or on perfume seas, and so on. Shaped like mountains, cities, trees, altars, the world systems extend in all directions, their various adornments and shapes different, each set out in arrays. Pure light is the substance of some flower banks and some clouds of jewels. Some world systems are made of flames, resting in indestructible mines of jewels, clouds of lamps, colored lights of flames, and more. Various, boundless forms, all pure. Some are composed of sound of the inconceivable teachings of Buddha. Some are sound produced by the power of vows, some of sounds of miraculous displays, some are those of beings' virtues or the sounds of Buddha's qualities. The individual different aspects of the world systems are inconceivable, without end. The 10 directions are filled with them, their vast adornments manifesting spiritual powers."